From local hospitals to global logistics, we keep you connected. All powered by TP-Link networking infrastructure.
Your documentation is approved. Please proceed through the gate.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
Not with pride exactly, with something quieter, the satisfaction of invisible work.
The connection looks great. How is the weather there?
It's sunny today. He was just saying how happy he is to see you.
We miss you, son.
This is not a production floor. It is a production city.
Specialty materials manufacturers producing the antenna elements. Printer kit board antenna structures. External dipole and
As you can see from the real-time data here, the precision is unparalleled. This is the future of semiconductor development.
Unlike some competitors, we specify and design nearly every component you see here, giving us greater control.
Clear the bay, we have another shipment coming in.
Scan this pallet next.
All units pass the dimensional check. The qualification data matches.
Good. The resonant frequency on the antennas is spot on.
The first PCB panel of the production shift being loaded into the SMT line, the beginning of the manufacturing journey.
TP-Link's AOI systems use high-resolution cameras to inspect every solder joint.
The installation of the RF front-end components, the power and low-noise amplifiers, and the filters completes the signal path to the antenna.
As the enclosure seals, the diagnostic software immediately verifies transient power across all spatial streams.
WAN connection types are verified, routing functions tested, and Wi-Fi associations established. We can confirm
This is the entrance to TP-Link's advanced R&D facility.
This NDA covers product specifications,
RF performance data, and our manufacturing processes.
Welcome to the TP-Link testing facility. We simulate diverse home environments to rigorously measure router performance under real-world conditions.
Here in the analysis lab, every returned unit undergoes rigorous testing. We meticulously trace the
Netgear signal is showing some instability here.
How does that compare to the Eero on the rotating platform?
He is approaching the third node now.
The handoff is seamless. Latency shows minimal spike during the transition.
The secure boot implementation relies heavily on the signature verification step.
And the vulnerability disclosure process needs tightening before the next audit.
Agreed, we should prioritize that. Look at the analyzer readings. The multi-link operation is fluctuating.
Yes, I see the spike on the spectrum overlay.
OFDMA, or Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access, is how Wi-Fi 6 allocates the channel into...
This BGA connection is too close to the 50 micron limit.
We need to stabilize the placement immediately.
The reliability metrics also indicate a potential fatigue issue.
The spike at 6 gigahertz is still outside the acceptable range.
We need to adjust the correction factor for the upper band.
The internal diameter is holding at 25.003, well within the plus or minus 5 microns.
Good. Let's verify the port alignment on the next cycle.
The high-speed gantry scans the board, analyzing the 3D topography of the solder paste. As you can see, all deposits are confirmed good. BGA solder joint voids are immediately apparent. The RF calibration and antenna VSWR both failed to meet
See this dip here at 5 gigahertz. That 1.5 dB loss indicates an impedance mismatch.
Gentlemen, the lead time has extended another 6 weeks. We must consider the alternatives now.
This datasheet looks promising, but the volume isn't guaranteed.
Across the globe, reliable connectivity is opening doors to education, keeping families connected, and empowering
TP-Link ensures that our digital education platform is accessible and reliable for every student, whether in class or distance learning.
Now I can process all the online orders quickly. The fast and affordable Wi-Fi is perfect for my business.
TP-Link Deco blankets your entire home in seamless Wi-Fi. It eliminates dead zones in multi-story buildings and challenging environments.
By adhering to the Easy Mesh standard, we ensure full compatibility.
The Wi-Fi Alliance certification is crucial for this rollout.
With the TP-Link Tether app, you can manage your home network remotely. Check connected devices,
The TP-Link facility operates at in Shenzhen.
Hi, Dad, Mom. How is everything going there?
Your mother is cooking up a storm again.
Are you eating well, son?
These noodles are really good tonight.
Yeah, much better than the shift meal yesterday.
How are the yields looking on the new SMT line overnight?
We hit 99.8%, Mr. Chen.
Look at that. 1 billion. Great job, team.
As the Ishikawa diagram shows, the root cause was multifaceted. But with the new process flow,
As you can see on the record, we achieved a full pass rate across the board.
Very impressive. Everything seems to be in order. I'll sign off on this.
The physics are critical here. Without proper calibration, the standing waves will distort the signal.
And that affects the final product yield.
that's impossible. It hasn't initialized the sequence.
But the table is fully populated. Where did this data come from?
As you can see, our integrated production line ensures precision at every step. We are proud of the work we do here.
A product consumed by billions every morning, the manufacturing of which most people have never once considered.
Footage not shown in this episode, the Extended Antenna Design Laboratory.
From high-speed component placement to assembly, every routers